Haya basi, shamra kabisa, mtakacha mvunguni shati ya nami. Nakwambiaje, ukitaka chochote lazima ukitafute. Ndio maana hayo methali. So this was me this morning. Jamani, I was going for a walk. The sun was already out. I got out late a bit, not like the normal days that I'm always outside by 7. Okay, so today it was a bit late, Yeah, and after a while, I stopped on that road to show you my outfit of today. That was me wearing a biker short, a Jay-Z, and some good sport shoes with socks inside. Yeah, so that was the outfit of the walk of today, and that was me doing a bit of stretch. Yeah, my thighs was hurting because it's been a while since I went for a walk, but regardless, we move. And just let me tell you, this is not even in the village. This is Nairobi. Okay? Don't be like, where is that? This is Nairobi. In fact, in the central of Embakasi. So, this is Nairobi, just around Donholm. If you've been this place, you know it. Yeah, it's so green. I think it's an abandoned plot or something. It's not worked on yet, but in the few years, I know it will be worked on. Just like that, I got on the road because I passed through the Keeps College Road, And if you know me, anytime I go for a walk, I must stop at a fruit store. I must eat some fruit. Also watermelon. I love the water in it. And just like that, I got on this road that is between Greenspan Mall and the churches beside there and the Harambe Estate. You know that, the middle part? Yeah, and this was me. The sun was doing injustice to my forehead. So I was just trying to cover myself with my hand, but it wasn't enough. Anyways, I got near my place. This place where they sell clothes, I've shown you many times. So yeah, I was just trying to walk faster to see how the camera will capture the background. And it really turned out nice. I didn't capture anyone without their consent, Yeah, so it was good. And this is me, was walking. Do you know what I was saying? I wish I could have recorded that and leave it like that, but no way. I was talking about, those people who sell Airtel lines? Yeah, the way they shout. Yeah, that is what I was saying. And this was me taking a bend, taking a corner back to the house, because this is also my neighborhood and near my home. Yeah, I decided to take another fruit, apple in it, apple. And voila, I got to my house. I was outside the pavement trying to do some stretch, squattings before I get to the bathroom so that I can shower and do other things, So that was me. My body was hurting still. I don't know if that is the correct way to do squats, but I'll keep learning. I'll keep watching videos. Yeah. We learn every day, right? So if that is not the correct way, the next time I do a video of squatting, I'll try and watch a good one and present something that is supposed to be presented. I feel like I'm bending so much. And that was the vlog of the day, after the walk, after the stretch. Now I just want to shower, go to my normal routines and all that. So see you on the next video. Keep subscribing, keep liking. Love you all. Bye.